Alright, so today we're going to be hot firing our Vespula Heatsink Engine on our Vespula coaxial swirl injector. We are going to be doing this to validate our mixing efficiency on our injector. Basically, mixing efficiency, also known as C-star efficiency, is kind of like miles per gallon for your car. A higher value is a better performing engine, so you use less fuel and liquid oxygen for the same amount of thrust. So a higher C-star efficiency is good for a vehicle. This injector uses these coaxial swirler elements with tangential entry holes to send the liquid inside the swirl chamber, and as it comes out it forms a cone, and you have multiple of these elements inside the injector, and that produces some very good mixing. So this is our Vespula Heatsink engine, also known as the Olympus engine, and this can handle up to 2,500 pounds of thrust, 300 psi chamber pressure, and this is a heatsink engine, so it cools by radiation. And so the idea of this is to just make sure we can nominally test our new line of engines, which is the Vespula series. And this will be a gateway to our ablative and regen engine. So if this works, then we can test and prove that future iterations of this engine type are going to work. So let's hope it goes well.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Break.
1.
Good fire.
Sounds crazy!
Yeah!